New Delhi is the capital of India and a part of the National Capital Territory of Delhi. New Delhi is the seat of all three branches of the Government of India, hosting the Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, and the Supreme Court of India. Although colloquially Delhi and New Delhi are used interchangeably to refer to the National Capital Territory of Delhi, both are distinct entities, with both the municipality and the New Delhi district forming a relatively small part of the megacity of Delhi. With a total area of 42.7 kilometers, the municipality of New Delhi forms a small part of the Delhi metropolitan area. Since the city is located on the Indo-Gangetic Plain, there is little difference in elevation across the city. New Delhi and surrounding areas were once a part of the Aravalli Range. All that is left of those mountains is the Delhi Ridge, which is also called the Lungs of Delhi. While New Delhi lies on the floodplains of the Yamuna River, it is essentially a landlocked city. East of the river is the urban area of Shidara. New Delhi is a cosmopolitan city due to the multi-ethnic and multicultural presence of the vast Indian bureaucracy and political system. The city's capital status has amplified the importance of national events and holidays. National events such as Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti, Gandhi's birthday, are celebrated with great enthusiasm in New Delhi and the rest of India. On India's Independence Day, 15 August, the Prime Minister of India addresses the nation from the Red Fort. Much of New Delhi, planned by the leading 20th-century British architect Edwin Lutyens, was laid out to be the central administrative area of the city as a testament to Britain's imperial ambitions. New Delhi is structured around two central promenades called the Rajpath and the Janpath. The Rajpath, or King's Way, stretches from the Rashtrapati Bhavan to the India Gate. The New Delhi town plan, like its architecture, was chosen with one single chief consideration: to be a symbol of British power and supremacy. All other decisions were subordinate to this, and it was this framework that dictated the choice and application of symbology and influences from both Hindu and Islamic architecture. It took about 20 years to build the city from 1911. Many elements of New Delhi architecture borrow from indigenous sources, however, they fit into a British classical or Palladian tradition. The fact that there were any indigenous features in the design were due to the persistence and urging of both the Viceroy Lord Hardinge and historians like E.B. Havell. The Delhi Metro is a rapid transit system serving Delhi, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, and Noida in the National Capital Region of India. Delhi Metro is the world's 12th largest metro system in terms of length.